A total of 1,427 CCTV cameras are being installed at 490 places on the Dhaka-Chittagong highway to curb crime. Of them, 1,300 CCTV cameras have already been installed. Through these various activities, including vehicle number, plate, route, suspicious intrusion, slow traffic area, reckless speed can be monitored.
1 মিনিটে নগদ ইসলামিক অ্যাকাউন্ট খুলতে ডায়াল করুন *167#.
With this initiative, 24-hour vehicle speed will be monitored to prevent theft, robbery and extortion within 265 km of Dhaka-Chittagong highway. For this, CCTV cameras are being installed at 490 places. 490 pole cameras installed on highways in Kumilla region will be controlled from 5 monitoring centers. Passengers and drivers all appreciated the initiative to bring CCTV highway cameras.